Oh hey, welcome to another edition of Hand-Laid Tracks and 3D Printed Trains with Socrates. Today we're looking at Angle Top Closed Hopper, Reading or Southern Pacific. This way better, yeah, or Southern Pacific. With and without graffiti. It's got the bottom part for the, comes apart in two pieces. Little micro coupleless trucks on the bottom. Prints in two colors with bamboo. I use the A1. You can print it in one color if you want it, or add Southern Pacific or more and add yourself some graffiti to it. Bunch of different graffitis as well, some AFCA, etc. And get yourself a angled top hopper from Cults. Goes together like all my other ones. The coupler's just kind of pushing the bottom with the little pins, make sure they're loose. And nice simple angled top grain car hopper type thing. Check it out on Cults. Thanks for watching. This was Hand-Laid Tanks with an angled hopper, Hand-Laid Tanks with an angled hopper, Hand-Laid Tracks with an angled hopper, and there was some too. Yeah.